The GEEKOM IT15 stands as a pinnacle of compact engineering, delivering workstation-level performance in a versatile mini-PC form factor. At its core is the cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 9 285H 15th Gen processor, which features an integrated NPU capable of 99 TOPS for advanced AI acceleration. This hardware enables rapid local execution of AI models, complex video rendering, and intensive coding tasks. Graphics are handled by the new Intel Arc 140T GPU, providing a significant boost in frame rates for creative applications and light gaming compared to previous generations. Equipped with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, the IT15 ensures nearly instantaneous load times and smooth multitasking across dozens of applications. The thermal management system utilizes a high-efficiency fan and dual heat pipes to maintain peak clock speeds under heavy sustained loads. For connectivity, the device features the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 standards, alongside dual 2.5G Ethernet ports for ultra-stable networking. The I/O is remarkably comprehensive for its size, featuring dual USB 4 ports that support 8K resolution and 40 gigabits per second data transfer. Combined with dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, the IT15 can drive a quad display setup at high refresh rates, making it an ideal choice for financial trading or professional video editing. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed to provide enterprise-grade security and management features. The Visa-mountable chassis allows for a completely hidden setup behind a monitor, maximizing desk space without sacrificing the power needed for modern, AI-driven workflows.